Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to verify age on Roblox in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to verify your age on Roblox account, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To verify your age on Roblox, first of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three dots more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu screen will open with different options. Scroll down and tap on Settings. On the Settings page, tap on Account Info. Now, scroll down and look for the Verify My Age option. Before starting verification, edit and set your birthday as per your document. Once you confirm your birthday, tap on the Verify My Age button to start the verification process. A new screen will open. Now, prepare one of your valid government-issued IDs, such as a passport, driver's license, national ID, or citizenship certificate. Now, tap on the Start Session button. A new screen appears. Tap on the Begin Verifying button. On the new screen, choose your country and tap on the Select button. A new screen will open with different verification options. Select the one that you have. On the new screen, tap on the camera button and take a photo of your document. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once the documents and verification are approved, your Roblox account will show that your age is verified. After verification, you will get access to additional features such as voice chat and other age-restricted settings.